Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace the radiator on a 2014 Dodge Charger RT. Begin by cooling the engine fully, then disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent shorts. Next, drain the coolant into a labeled container and remove the intake cover and battery if needed for access. Follow by disconnecting hoses and electrical connectors, loosen mounting bolts, and prepare to extract the radiator safely and methodically. Gather all tools and parts before starting to avoid delays and mistakes. Make sure the replacement radiator fits the 2014 Dodge Charger RT and inspect hoses and clamps for wear. Use a torque wrench to tighten mounting bolts to spec and keep a funnel for clean coolant refills. Keep rags and a drip tray nearby to catch spills, and have a fresh coolant mixture ready to refill after installation. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and see more repair videos. Quick recommendation. On another note, the Owala water bottle is perfect for greasy hands and long garage sessions because it stays leak-proof and fits most cup holders. Check the video description for the link and other deals, and pick one up if you want to stay refreshed. Now let's get back to the video. Start by labeling hoses and electrical connectors, then photograph hose routing so reassembly is straightforward. Loosen the mounting bolts and support brackets, release the lower fan shroud if needed, and lift the radiator straight out to avoid bending fins or damaging the condenser. Position the new radiator, secure all fasteners, reconnect hoses and wiring, refill with the correct coolant mix, bleed trapped air, and run the engine to check for leaks and proper operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.